If you live in your terminal, this might be the biggest upgrade since autocomplete. Introducing Gemini CLI, an open-source AI agent that brings Google's Gemini model straight into your command line. It's free, powerful, extensible, and designed specifically for developers. No more jumping between the terminal and the browser. No more copying errors into chatbots. With Gemini CLI, you just prompt and go right where you work. So what is it? Gemini CLI is a lightweight, open-source interface that gives you direct access to Gemini 2.5 Pro right from your terminal. It's not just great at writing code, it can explain it, fix bugs, generate content, automate tasks, even pull real-time web context via Google search. And yes, it's actually free. Just sign in with a personal Google account and get instant access to Gemini Code Assist's free license. That unlocks Gemini 2.5 Pro with a 1 million token context window, 60 requests per minute, and 1,000 requests per day at no cost. That's the highest free tier usage in the market right now. This isn't just a basic wrapper. Gemini CLI is built to work with non-interactive scripts, system prompts via Gemini.md, extensions via the Model Context Protocol, MCP, custom workflows tailored to your team or individual setup. Need to check weather before running your bash script? Or refactor a legacy Python file in one prompt? Just ask Gemini, and it responds like an expert who already understands your environment. And when you need to switch from CLI to IDE, you're still covered. Gemini CLI shares the same tech as Gemini Code Assist, Google's multi-step AI coding agent for VS Code. You get consistent performance whether you're in the terminal or writing features in the editor. And here's the best part, it's all open source under Apache 2.0. You can inspect the code, extend the tool, or even contribute directly on GitHub. If this video hits 10,000 views, 1,000 likes, and 1,000 shares, I'll make a full step-by-step tutorial on Gemini CLI, from install to automation. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Champion EdTech, and let's build smarter together. Your terminal is about to level up.